According to the Environmental Protection Agency, the United States enjoys one of the world's most reliable and safest supplies of drinking water. However, many homeowners experience concerning water quality issues that are actually quite common.
Well, you know, Brenner and I have the worst skin issues ever.
Yeah.
So I was talking to this mom at school the other day, and she said it might actually be about the water quality in the house, and that if we get a filtration system, it may help our skin.
So should we get our water tested to see if it's contaminated?
Oh, 100% we should. There's this company, it's called Leaf Home Water Solutions, and they'll come out to the house and they'll do an evaluation of your water.
Okay, let's get an appointment scheduled.
Yeah, let's do it. Well, thank you for coming out to our house today.
You're very welcome, and I appreciate you inviting us out here. So I'd like to ask you a few key questions, and then we'll do a quick little test of your water here. Now, do you get your water from the city or from a well?
We get it from the city.
Okay. Some people tell us that they smell an odor, sometimes like a rotten egg smell, maybe a little chlorine. Have you experienced anything like that here?
Definitely have smelled the chlorine you're mentioning, and we have issues with our dishwasher where the glasses come out kind of filmy. Also in our shower, the shower gets filmy, the glass of that. But really, the worst thing is that my skin has been so bad.
I completely understand. Contaminated water can clog your pipes, it can damage your appliances, it can void the warranty, so it's super important to make sure that water's clean. I'm gonna go grab a cup that I brought with me, get a sample of the water from your sink, and then do a little quick test for you.
So what do we got going on here?
All right, so we're gonna perform your water test. Just got this out of your kitchen sink. Then I'm going to inject it into this testing disc. And so we're just gonna inject it slowly so it fills up each of the chambers in here.
And does each of these chambers represent something that you're testing?
It does. There are different reagents in there that are gonna test for the different potential contaminants in your water. Okay. Care to do the honors?
All right.
So based on these results, your water can certainly be contributing to your skin condition. You know, we so often think about the water that we consume and drink, but often we fail to consider the water that we bathe in, cook with, clean with, do our laundry with.
So how do we figure out what we need?
Home water treatment systems aren't one size fits all. We're gonna customize a solution for your home based off of its size, the water usage, and your water quality. Our proprietary technology recommends a Leaf Home Water Softener and Premium Catalytic Carbon System. It'll help improve the health and safety of your family.
I also read about your ultraviolet disinfection system. Would that be beneficial for us too?
We would certainly also recommend a UV light system for your home as a disinfectant to your water for any bacteria, viruses, or parasites.
So how does it differ from just a filter you can install on your own?
It's far more sophisticated than one you can buy and install yourself because it treats the whole home, not just one faucet. It's simply just a bottled water factory right there at your kitchen sink. Well, how soon would you like us to install it?
Today.
All right, let me see what I can do. Welcome to Leaf Home Water Solutions.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
The location of the filter varies from home to home, but Laura and Alex are having it installed in their garage, and the reverse osmosis system goes under the kitchen sink.
I'm really glad we decided to put in this whole house filtration system from Leaf Home. My skin is really beginning to clear up.
I've noticed an improvement in the water too. It tastes so good now. And even when I wash the dishes or take a shower, it's so much clearer.
Yeah, there's actually a test that you can do to see how the water is. Let's see if Brenner wants to do the science experiment. Brenner! You want to do a little science experiment with us? So fill the cup up, then you take this, you turn it on, then you place it in there, and then it gives you a reading which tells you how good the water is.
Really amazing results.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah, we should do this as your science experiment this year for school.
Yeah, that would be amazing, Mom.
Cheers. If you're experiencing water problems or suspect contaminants in your water, go to leafhomewatersolutions.com to schedule your free evaluation. Learn more at designingspaces.tv.